Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ledger and trial balance. First, understand that a ledger is a collection of all your financial accounts. Each account, such as cash or sales revenue, gets its own dedicated page. You'll transfer information from your initial journal entries into these ledger accounts, ensuring every debit and credit is accurately recorded. This systematic process helps organize your financial data, making it easier to track balances and prepare for financial statements. Once you have your journal entries, the next step is posting them to the ledger. For every transaction, identify the specific accounts involved, like cash or rent expense. Then, transfer the debit and credit amounts from your journal to the corresponding ledger accounts. Remember, debits go on the left side and credits on the right. After posting all entries, calculate the running balance for each account, which is crucial for the next step in the accounting cycle. Now, let's move on to creating the trial balance. This is a list of all your ledger accounts and their final balances at a specific point in time. You'll compile all accounts with debit balances in one column and all accounts with credit balances in another. The most important part is to verify that the total of all debit balances exactly equals the total of all credit balances. This equality confirms the mathematical accuracy of your ledger entries before preparing financial statements. Understanding ledgers and trial balances is fundamental for accurate financial reporting. Ledgers offer a granular view of each account's activity, while the trial balance acts as a critical checkpoint, ensuring your debits and credits are in balance. This foundational knowledge is essential for anyone managing finances, whether for a business or personal use. For more insights into managing your money effectively, check out the link in the description for Asterisk, the simple path to wealth Asterisk, and other helpful deals. It's a resource that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.